core mission of Comarch today is lead customers through the AI era and also be first choice of the software vendor thanks to our knowledge and AI perspective. That's very important as currently we have a lot of questions how we are addressing the telecom market, communication market, how we are evolving ourselves. So basically, during this conference also I was talking about how we are transferring ourselves and how we are affecting, let's say, market towards the market change. That's the important thing. The thing is that not later than 20 years ago, the telecommunication was telecom, right? Now it's became communication because the communications became the an inevitable mean of the all of the elements. And currently, we also see coming up. We're also going beyond the traditional direct. The very important topic is that we internally also changing ourselves. We started last year, in the beginning of 2025, that we became AI native company. What does it mean? It means that we started with using AI tools, also internally in our daily life. So we started, of course, in R&D, but also we started using AI into the delivery, into sales, into support. So all of the aspects of our organization, that's important part. Second thing is that to introduce that AI usage, we started AI Academy, our internal basic tool, be building foundation of how we are using AI, meaning that we are learning how the tools works. But on the second part, that's very important, how important and how in terms of how we are responsibly using our AI tools. So that's important part. So not only using not only using tool, but also how to use this tool in a responsible way. We started with telecommunication. We became right now communication department, even we changed the name. That's first thing. Second thing is that we also started with the communication going further than only telecommunication work. So we started with the utility sector. We started also with the critical communication sector. And we see also energy sector. So we are speaking all of those sectors also beyond the telecommunication. That's important part. And from that perspective, we went through the outside of the pure market of telecommunications. So we are growing ourselves. This is one of our core pillars.